yan. Let's party North America. Mukhang marami-rami na ang mag-blow out. Una, kay Mommy Luz of Chicago dahil it's her birthday. Treat mo na to. Ikaw din, Claney Agustino, sagot mo na ang inuman. Well, wear your party hats, guys, dahil it's Tito Weng's party. Well, make a wish, Anna of Virginia, and for our lovely celebrant, Rachel Labunsky. Cheers! At sa'yo naman, Olive Lansangan, what's your birthday wish? Father Ramon Mores, maraming blessings po ang wish namin sa inyong parawan. Maligayang bati kay Lorna Prejoles of San Diego, Lawyer Castle. At 12 years old ka na, Camille. Marquez, make a wish? It's your 50th birthday, Bobby. Saan ba ang inyong birthday? Well, Alex Olano of USA, imbitahan mo naman kami sa kainan, ha? And to Mami Lucy of Reno, Nevada, happy birthday po. Your kids love you so much. You know that? I love you. It's your 33rd birthday party, Butch of LA. Saan ang proud? And to you, Jerry of Hawaii, hindi ka makakalis sa libre. Mga kabanding, just keep on sending your greetings to all your loved ones around the world. Hi! Time flies fast. Sana ay hindi kayo mabitin. But don't you worry, dahil bukas, isa na namang kabanding ang ating isusurpresahin. Muli, ako po ang inyong bagong kabanding at dance guru, John Prats po, dahil close na close tayo sa PSG.